Hi! In the last video, we learned that Pinyin is the foundation of Chinese characters. What's in store for this lesson, Miss Chu?
In this video, I'll bring you to meet some members of the Pinyin family.
Okay, let's go!
Our Pinyin are like phonetic symbols in English. With the help of Pinyin, we can spell a lot of Chinese characters. Now, let's just start with 4 of the initials: bo, po, mo, fo. First, initials. Initials are at the front of syllables. They're pronounced lightly and quickly through different levels of airflow in the mouth. Let's first learn bo, po, mo, fo, which are pronounced by the coordination of the upper and lower lips. The first one is bo, bo. You should close your mouth first and suddenly open it to let the air rush out. Bo, bo, bo. Po. The airflow here is stronger than bo. Po, po, po. Mo. Mo is a nasal sound. We mainly pronounce it with our nose. Mo, mo, mo. Fo. Make your teeth gently touch the inside of your lower lip. Fo, fo, fo. Now, can you read these 4 initials?
No problem. Bo, po, mo, fo.
Pretty good. Bo, po, mo, fo.